Hello everyone, my name is MONAQUISM and welcome back to the MONAQUISM channel. Just like everyone else when the year changes, my husband and I have started eating healthy as part of our 2022 fitness and wellness goals. Age, obesity, and hypertension have made us decide to do so. Pero chill lang, we won't be having a body and weight reveal as of yet at baka maumay naman kayo. The first thing that came to mind though was to come up with satisfying meals to make the diet sustainable. With that said, we thought to share the meals that we are liking so far. If you have the same goals, try this recipe and let us know what you think at the comment section. So let's start prepping our shrimp avocado salad.
When I filmed for this, I have cooked my boy's favorite shrimp dish for dinner. It was 1 kilo of shrimp, so hinati ko na lang siya para half kilo for them and half kilo para sa salad namin ni Hubby. For our salad, I have peeled off the shrimp skin or shell. At dahil nasa balat yung lasa, I will cook the peeled shrimps again for 2 to 3 minutes using 2 tablespoons of canola oil and garlic bits I took from the shrimp dish I cooked. In case you're wondering why the oil from my shrimp dish looks rustic, it's because of the spice I used. To achieve that, you may use Cajun seasoning or Spanish paprika or Old Bay seasoning. So since luto na talaga yung shrimps, we just need to add them on the pan in a single layer, cook for 1 to 1.5 minutes, flip the shrimps over and cook for another 1 to 1.5 minutes. It is important not to overcook the shrimps as they tend to become dry and rubbery. So let's now chop these colorful vegetables and arrange them onto our salad bowls. And all that's left for us to do is to give this bowl a good toss for the ingredients to combine, then serve. This shrimp avocado salad is a simple, light, and refreshing meal that is flavorful, healthy, and satisfying. Try it and let us know what you think at the comment section. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share my videos. Until the next one, bye!